Finally, a drone that can rival the DJI Mini series has arrived. This is the newly released ATOM 3 by Botan. If you're familiar with their previous ATOM 2 and 2S, then this third generation truly lives up to expectations and doesn't disappoint. The new features address many minor shortcomings of its predecessor, and as a lightweight entry-level drone, it's not only capable of everyday entertainment and aerial photography, but it also boasts upgraded image quality, battery life, and low-altitude tracking. Let's see how it performs. In terms of appearance, compared to the previous 2S drone, the overall design is more rounded, including the GB and body buttons and charging port positions. The camera has fewer exposed cables, making it look more aesthetically pleasing. Therefore, this isn't just a minor iteration between the 2 and 2S, but a completely new mold. The lens cover and body strap have also been upgraded to an integrated design, making installation more convenient and protection more secure. The drone's upgrades include 1. Image quality. The camera has been upgraded to a 1/3-inch high-power sensor with 50 megapixels and an f2.8 aperture. Image quality has improved from simply being able to see to being able to appreciate beauty. More importantly, the image parameters have been increased from 4K 30 frames per second to 4K 60 frames per second. This not only allows for post-processing adjustments but also reduces frame drops that can occur when shooting at long distances. In bright sunlight, you can shoot any shot and get stunning results. The improved sensor also allows for a 48mm focal length, effectively doubling the focal length for focusing on the subject. Furthermore, the larger aperture allows for more light intake, eliminating the need for excessively high ISO in nighttime shooting. Dark areas like buildings are less likely to be completely black, resulting in a cleaner, less noisy image. There's also more room to increase shutter speed, reducing blurriness caused by drone shake. Meanwhile, in terms of AI short films, this time a new feature has been added: one-click tail drift and spinning upwards. Previously, such complex scenes required manual input or setting waypoints, but now they can be achieved with a single click. The AI Follow 2.0 upgrade supports low-altitude follow up to 4 meters, allowing for more cinematic shots in open areas, whether walking or cycling. This is a feature typically found only on the more expensive DJI Mini Pro series. The second upgrade is battery life. The previous generation RS battery only lasted about 20 minutes in actual use. Basically, after flying a short distance, adjusting the composition, and shooting 3 or 4 shots, it was necessary to return. The new third generation not only upgrades the battery but also introduces a long-endurance version. The capacity has been upgraded from 2,230 mAh in the previous generation to 2,590 mAh in the third generation and 3,850 mAh for long endurance. The theoretical flight time has also increased to 40 minutes and 50 minutes respectively. The biggest improvement is that you can now fly twice on a single battery instead of once. In the air, you have more time to adjust the composition, and if you feel the shot isn't good, you can take another one as a backup. The charging port has also been changed from a potential DC port to USB-C, supporting up to 65 WPD protocol. This means you can carry one less charger when traveling. The only drawback is that the battery doesn't have a dedicated charging port. You can only charge the drone through the charging adapter or directly. Regarding image transmission, it not only supports adding a 4G module but also boasts an upgraded transmission range of 16 km, exceeding the DJI Mini 3's 10 km. It also features 1080p 60 frames per second real-time image transmission. Currently, the drone's wireless frequencies are mainly 2.4 GHz and 5.2 GHz, both supporting automatic frequency switching to reduce latency and interference. The downside is that there is still a distance limit. In cities with many buildings, frequent lag occurs. However, with a 4G module, the problem is solved. Theoretically, as long as there is a cell phone signal and the drone has power, it can fly continuously in cities with tall buildings, even flying several kilometers without any issues. In more open and unobstructed areas, such as the suburbs, it has an ultra-long-range image transmission distance of up to 10 kilometers. In terms of accessories, the Botan ATOM 3 brings the new PTD2 remote control with a screen. The brightness of the 5.5-inch 1080p screen has been upgraded from 700 nits to 900 nits, making it clearer for outdoor use. The large 6,200 mAh battery can be used continuously for 3 hours. The charging port has been removed, and a full charge takes about 90 minutes and 120 minutes respectively. The 4G module's fixing method has also been changed from a clip-on design to a strap design. In terms of aesthetics, I personally prefer the previous generation Astro Boy 2S. However, there are no issues with the robustness of the propellers. The propeller protection has been upgraded from semi-enclosed to fully enclosed, making it safer and more protective. However, it should be noted that adding the 4G module and battery insurance will increase the weight by 50 grams, which will have a certain impact on battery life. In summary, with the current tightening of drone regulations, if you only want to record daily life, there is really no need to buy a large, 3-piece mid-sized drone. The 4K 60 frames per second image quality, 4G module, and long-lasting battery configuration have already moved beyond the beginner positioning of the previous generation Atom 2S. It is now a high-end configuration and is not limited to entertainment and recording daily life. It can handle some productivity work, such as shooting aerial photography for wedding teams or store openings, shooting aerial views of buildings for real estate agencies, shooting bird's-eye views of tourist attractions or city promotional videos. The image quality is also quite sufficient. And if you only want to shoot simple daily life, a version with a long-lasting battery is enough. For extended outdoor shooting sessions, the 3-battery charging powerhouse version is available. Those interested can check it out on major e-commerce platforms. This is Lao Wang, see you next time.